as you saw in the previous video, we reached the port already, and now it was time for the most awaited part of the trip. We booked a boat to ourselves, which we got for 40 euros only, because it was off season and also we couldn't wait anymore. The boat took us to the Blue Cave through the deep blue waters of the Mediterranean Sea and limestone cliffs beside. It was one of the most beautiful things I witnessed. Our first destination was Blue Caves, and we were so very excited because it was swimming time. We all wore our swimming gears and splash, we got down into the middle of the ocean. Few of us were experts, but few were first timers. But there was someone who was seen for very few times in the video because she was so scared after going into the water that all she did was float. So let's hear it from her. Over to Shantini.
दिलों में तुम अपनी बेताबी लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम. The famous dialogue from the movie Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. While everyone was planning to swim in the mid-sea, this was the dialogue going through my mind. Yes, I was dead scared. Being a not so well-trained swimmer, what else do you expect? I did swimming in a 6-feet swimming pool, that too just for 20 days. And moreover, where I know about the depth, that I will bounce back anyhow. But here it's different. The end is unknown to me and I had no clue about the depth. So finally, by defeating all my fears, I jumped into the water. And then the freezing blue salty water splashed on my face. No idea how many liters of water I gulped in that day. Though my life jacket was on, but I don't know, for some odd reasons the jacket was coming out of my head. Thankfully my friends helped and turned me up, and that's where I got comfort. Floating in the middle of the ocean, watching the blue sky, what else do I need? I am alive. That was the feeling back then. And behind me, everyone was having fun, singing, taking underwater shots. But I was just floating. Suddenly I realized that yes, I do have some water fear. And lastly, I did a little swimming. After I gained some confidence while floating seamlessly. Sounds funny, I know. Altogether, it was a great experience. And a memory which we all will cherish throughout our life.
At you, thinking about all of the ways that you know me, I can't get enough. We got the future burning the past, good and the bad, making it
After all our fun, we got out of water, though we didn't wanted to, but as we were being late for the shipwreck beach. Once we reached the shipwreck beach, to our surprise, we couldn't get down to the beach, as it wasn't allowed. There were some incidents that happened, like falling off cliffs, causing loss of human lives, which resulted in restriction in entry to the beach by the administration from few months. But thankfully, we still got the view from the boat itself. Then the boat took us back to the port. Next attraction was the sunset viewpoint. But we were not satisfied. Suddenly, all of us decided to trek and reach the cliff top. The locals warned us and also told us not to go, as the trek route is really risky and it could be dangerous for us. But we couldn't resist ourselves from the view we would get from that height. Reaching there came out to be as one of the best decisions that we took, as the view was breathtaking. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.